What's up guys, TV Hacks here. Welcome to a new video, and this video we will show you today how to activate the Pro Mode on your Sony TV. After the intro we will start. In this video we will show you how to enable the Pro Mode on your Sony TV. This works with the older version of your Sony TV. It doesn't matter if you have an OLED or an LCD display. You have to try a few times on your remote control, because here is very important the speed, on what speed you press the buttons. In the Pro Mode is a secret menu. You can some functions activate or disable, and this is very important if you have like a hotel, or if you have some older guys at home, and you can close or disable the functions. On the web you have many tutorials, but on my TV no one works, but with this one it works of 100%. First you have to go to your home screen, and when you are in the home screen you have to use your remote control and press on your remote control info, mute, volume up and home. The info is the button under the 7. So try again, info, then mute, volume up and home. And if you press in the right speed you will become this function, but you have to wait some seconds, then you become this here. Please stay awake. Then your TV will be switched off and started again, reboot again your TV, and when your TV reboot you become this one, this message here. Again, it's very important in which speed you press the buttons. And now our TV is rebooted and will become in the bottom this message here. New functions are available. And now go to settings, and when you go to settings you become a new menu. You have here Pro settings will be started. So press on your remote control the settings button, and when you go to settings you will find here a new setting. This is called Pro Mode. And now here, if you start this function, you can now go in the secret menu. And in this secret menu you can start the Pro Mode. We will start the Pro Mode, and you can disable here some functions like the home menu, like the buttons on the remote control. You can go here to startup apps, you can disable, you can APK apps install it, and many more. You can here in the settings what's happened if you press the home button, you can configure this one, and you can here also your own menu create. And if you are finished you can go to the settings and you can export all settings to an USB device and go to another Sony and can import the settings if you have much more of your Sony TV. This is the secret menu. The secret menu, the Pro Mode, if you have a hotel or if you want that nobody can go to the settings, it's a secret menu. Here you can disable some functions like also the AC, DC and many more. And you can switch back to the normal mode. You have here only to go to settings and go to normal mode. Then your TV will again reboot and you are in the normal mode like before. If you have some question, then use the commentary function, subscribe our channel and you will be always getting news. Don't forget to subscribe, share our channel. TV Hacks says thank you for watching and bye.